and I am alone. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish and it's December 2019 and that means it's time for a Paradise Box. So you guys know, if you've been watching me, if you're new, just in case you didn't know this before, they send me a box to open and review every month and I give it away and I pay for my own box. If you want to win this box, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video posted between now and the next unboxing. So at the end of this video, I will go ahead and pick a winner for the November box, and I'll actually link to that unboxing below also, just in case you want to see what's in it. It was pretty sweet. It was really sweet, actually. And I'm excited to do this month's box. I've been sick, like with a fever. So if you see sweat popping out of my forehead, my fever's breaking. We're close enough for that kind of stuff now, aren't we? So let's open this box and then I can draw a winner. Okay, just in case you guys are wondering, that right there is fiber I'm about to dye, because it wouldn't be my house if I wasn't getting ready to dye something or spin something or weave something. So I'm gonna dye this Romney and it's soaking in vinegar water. All right, let's do it. So, like I said, I've been sick. I did see a hint for this. I think it was a Star Wars hint. It was like the droids, C-3PO and R2-D2, I think. So you guys ready? Wait, let me tilt this up. I got it screwy. So you guys ready? Woo, I'm ready. I need some cheering up. Wait, is this side stuck? Nope. This happens every month. I can't get it. Okay. Rise of the Stash, episode 12. Wow. Okay. So. Oh, cute. That's why. Okay, so they sent a pattern for some droid beanies. They're by Jen Spears. They're crochet. I do know how to crochet. You guys never really see me crochet very much, but I do know how to do it. Oh, I forgot to turn off my phone. Hang on. Okay. Look at this. It's Galaxy, far, far away. Star Wars. The first one that was in theaters, what was it? A New Hope, I think is what it's called, is the first movie I remember seeing in a theater. It was like 1977, so I would have been like 3. My dad was obsessed. Okay. Oh, wow, this seems like a lot of fiber, doesn't it? Okay. Swamp Baby in a green organza bag, baby alpaca, superfine merino, and mulberry silk. Oops. You guys ready? Is everybody ready for holidays? Whatever you celebrate, are you ready? Or if you just don't celebrate, is it annoying to hear people talk about it? I'm always curious about that. Oh my gosh, look at this. I really like this. Wow. That's actually really beautiful. I hope you can really see the colors. It is totally dark out, so there's no natural light today. I've had to make all my own light. Just like, you know, in life. Okay, 2 ounces, that was 2 ounces, I think I said that, but just in case, 2 ounces of golden droid in a gold organza bag, baby alpaca, superfine merino, and Erie silk. Guys, I've been trying to dye a really pretty gold and I just can't get it right. So this is what I want to get. Look. Oh, wowie wow. Well, this is what I need. I will be calling Paradise to order some of this because I never dye it quite right. It never comes out like I want, but this is gorgeous. And I have the perfect thing to do with this. Yeah. Okay. 2 ounces of Chewbacca fleece in a faux Ewok fur bag. I'm glad it's faux. No Ewoks were harmed in the making of this box. 100% Hilltop Farm Wakaya alpaca. Ooh, gosh, you guys, look at this color. It's like a, it's not really a chocolate because it is like a little shade of red, but it really does look like Chewbacca. Wow. Oh, and then there's the black in there. Oh, there's 3 different colors. Or maybe this came from the, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's 3 different colors. Wow. It's really soft. I've had like browns and golds on my mind a lot. So this box is perfect. It's coming at the perfect time. Okay. Now, 1 handmade in Paradise glow in the dark lightsaber progress keeper. So I'm gonna put it back on me a sec. So just so you guys are aware, Paradise sent me an Instagram message that, and I think it must have been everybody, that the progress keepers did not get in the boxes this month. So they're coming out to us all still in the mail. Okay, so let's finish up, just for your information. Okay. 1 peppermint stash tea. I need this right now with being sick, you guys. Oh my God. It's been really poopy. 1 limited edition vinyl sheep sticker Darth Vader. Oh my God. I'm sorry, but that is too cute. 1 pygmy mudhorn egg faux fur pom-pom. So this one's really Ewok-y too. Isn't that nice? It's really pretty in person. It's like shiny and it has black tips. Can you actually see? Maybe, oh yeah. It's really pretty. So thank you, Paradise, for this box in December. I will come back for you guys and show you that lightsaber progress keeper when it gets here. And hang on a sec and I'm gonna pick a winner. Okay, so I have randomnumbergenerator.org. I used to do this like really fancy spreadsheet every month, and now I just write it all down by hand and I can hardly read my writing, so that should be interesting. 1 little note, if you love this box and you want to start getting this box, and honestly this makes an awesome Christmas present if someone wants to get you one and you kind of don't know what you want, you can use the link below to buy them. You can get anything at Paradise actually through that link, and I get a little kickback. It helps my channel, but also you will get fiber that you're never disappointed with, and that's pretty awesome. So let's do this. I had 47 this month. Number 10 is the winner, Treehouse Knits. You won! So please send me your mailing address at neverendingknitnight@gmail.com and I will put your November spinning box in the mail. That is exciting. I wish you could all win. I hate it when someone's like, oh bummer, I wish it was me, because I feel bad. I wish I could give you all a box, but I can't. So I will see you guys soon. I have almost a whole video ready to go. Actually 2, so because I was waiting to see how something kind of shook out before I talked to you guys about it. So I will see you guys very soon, like within a couple days, and hopefully I won't be sweaty from a breaking fever and I will look normal again. Thanks you guys for joining me. Happy December. I hope none of you are sick. Bye bye.